Hi, do you want to know how to keep up with your motivation, or do you know how to increase your motivation for your life or for your work? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome to YM channel. My name is Yomi. So I'm going to give you 3 tips about how to increase your motivation or keep up with your motivation. Including me, I have my motivation time going down, like I want to give up. Lately, some people also ask me, how do you keep up with the motivation? They want to give up because they don't see the results, like they don't see the destination, where is it going. So today I'm going to tell you 3 tips. So number 1 tip is we have to have more realistic expectation. What I mean is, like, when we look at the IG story or Facebook, or we only see the results of the people, right? You only see how their life, how good is their life, the travel life, or the private jet, or the driving sport car, expensive car. So we only see the results, we don't really see their effort. So when we come to the expectation, we better to have a more realistic. Some people think, oh, I start this, after 1 year I want to be a billionaire, I want to be very successful. Is it possible? Yes, but what is the chance? What is the percentage can go that far? Like, how much time have you ever sacrificed in order to get that results, right? You have to learn a certain skill. Have you put the time to learn the skills? Are you more hardworking than other people in order to get the success? So we need to be realistic. When we look at famous sport person or sport player, artist, actor, um, they take long time, or some successful businessman, right? It take long time, sometimes more than 10 years or 15 years to get the results, to get to that kind of results, right? So we need to be realistic, right? So this is point number 1. Okay, by the way, if you like this kind of video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, including my IG. So I will upload more video more often, and I will provide you some free workshop about the mindset thing. So number 2 tips is we have to have the urge to learn as much as possible and as soon as possible. Remember, everyone want to be success, right? And but who can be the successful one? Number 1 is persistent. Number 2 is the skill set. So you have to learn as much as possible. For example, if you are a salesperson, learn the sales skills, learn the negotiation, learn the communication, learn the competence skill. So many things to learn, and there are so many free material nowadays, like YouTube or books, or you can go to join some course. So many ways to improve yourself. So do it now if you really want the results. Number 3 is to be patient with your results. As I told you, so first you need to know how much you give already, how much you have sacrificed your fun time in order to learn and then to get the result, to know your destination. And so how much you give and your destination, is it in balance? If you give very little bit, if you just give very little bit, do you, and you expect this, and then it just not balanced, right? It just doesn't come, like that way. So you have to give a lot in order to get the results, or this result or that result, but at least you have to give a lot. So you have the concept about how much you already give in. So if you don't ever give in, don't expect the results. Okay. And so you keep to learn to improve yourself, and persistent is the keyword, and this will make you higher chance to be successful than other people. Why? Because most of the people, they give up halfway already. Okay. So persistent is the key. Remember, we all have the failure, we all will have experienced the frustration, want to give up. But the key point is, why some people more successful? Because they take the persistency, because they don't give up. So here we are. So I hope you liked today's video, and click like, subscribe, and share to your friend. And if you want more tips about the financial freedom, if you want to know how to calculate your financial freedom number, and drop me an email, and I will send you the free workshop. And see you next week. See you in the next video. Bye bye.